Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ZTE Blade A35 and ensuring the battery is at least 20% so the phone won't die mid-process. Once done, check for any apps you installed right before safe mode appeared. These are prime suspects. Now press and hold power, tap restart or power off and then on. This first reboot can clear temporary conflicts. If the phone boots into normal mode, you're done. If not, move immediately to targeted steps removing the cause. You'll now isolate the offending app. If you're still in safe mode, reproduce it intentionally. Hold power, touch and hold power off, then select safe mode. Once booted, go to Settings, Apps, and sort by install date or look for unfamiliar apps. Uninstall the most recent or suspicious app first, then restart normally. Make sure to test after each uninstall. Once normal boot returns, you've found the culprit. This minimizes data loss and avoids a full factory reset. To finish, if removing apps didn't work, clear cache for suspect apps in App Info and reboot. Cache corruption can force safe mode. If that still fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset from Settings, System, Reset. This removes deep software faults. If safe mode persists after reset, you likely have firmware or hardware issues. Make sure to try a software update or contact service. A key tip: if safe mode stays, note error behavior and avoid repeated resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.